My name's Rocke. I'm working in the AtlantECO project. I'm wearing many hats in this project, and one of them is focusing on the mining case study in South Africa and Namibia. The purpose is to improve policies surrounding particularly shelf mining activities in Namibia and South Africa. We need to understand, certainly from the microbiome point of view and the benthic point of view, what is there and what sort of dynamics is going on under various scenarios. If we don't know that, it's very difficult to influence policy and influence marine protected areas so that we can safeguard the biodiversity in this very rich, productive region. The fishing industry, both in Namibia and South Africa, is very strong. There are a lot of local fishing communities that depend on high fish stocks in order to make a living. And so if we don't protect this, we'll have big impacts on them, and there will be knock-on effects on the local communities as a result of this as well.
I'm Simone Libralato. I'm a scientist working at the National Institute of Oceanography and Applied Geophysics in Italy. And I'm part of this AtlantECO project. We are using several information to actually assess the benefits that we can get from the ocean. We are doing this specifically for two areas. One is southern Benguela current in South Africa, and the other part is Galicia. In these regions we are assessing all the benefits we can get from the ocean, starting from the production of fish up to the biodiversity that the ocean is providing to humans.
I'm Linda Amaral-Zettler, and I am part of the Plastics and Plastisphere pillar of AtlantECO. My major contribution is looking at the genetic diversity of what's called the plastisphere, which is effectively life that lives on plastic. And this is an increasingly abundant habitat in our oceans, and one that interacts directly with things like microbes and small animals, so that we're trying to better understand their impact on plastic, and then in turn plastic's impact on the environment.